Hey y'all, how you doing today? Thank you for tuning back into my channel. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on this look, and I actually filmed this as a talk through. Thumbs up for that. So this was a look that I did for a collab that I did beginning of the year, and a lot of people were requesting that I did a tutorial on this look, so I decided let's do it. Of course I'm not going to be doing all the rhinestones on my hair because we would have been here for like hours. Like doing that literally took me like an hour or so just to put on the stones up here. But anyway, I'm not gonna be doing that, but I am going to show y'all how I got the eye look from that look, and also you'll be able to check out other product details and other looks on my Instagram. The username will be somewhere on the screen, probably right up in here, and I will also link it down below, and I will also try to leave the links to all the other girls' looks down below as well who I did the collab with. So yeah, make sure if you're not already subscribed, turn on notifications, subscribe to my channel, and give me a big thumbs up. Let me know if there's anything else you would like to see. If you see a look on my Instagram that you like, then let me know if you want to see that tutorial on that look here as well. So leave me a comment down below. Y'all give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, subscribe. And yeah, let's get into the tutorial. So really quickly, I'm just going to go ahead and fill in this brow over here. Don't know why I didn't do it when I did this one, but yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do this, and I'm still going to be using my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. Okay, so now I got my brows snatched. So yeah, now I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and today I'm going to be using the shade Fawn to mute any discoloration in my eyelid. I'm going to set that with the Sasha Buttercup powder. And we got a base. For this look, I'm going to be using one palette, and that's going to be my Morphe 35B palette. This baby here, so pretty. So I'm going to be using this palette, and I'm going to be taking the pink shade right here on my Morphe M504 blending brush, this brush here, and I'm going to begin to apply that color as my transition. You want to go in with a light hand, so I'm dipping my brush in the color, tapping the excess off, and then I'm going to start to blend that in my crease. And these eyeshadows are literally so pigmented. If you don't have this already, which I'm pretty sure majority of y'all do, but if you don't have this palette, I will link it down below in the description bar because you need it. Thumbs up this video if you like me to record a video on how I blend my eyeshadows out, because I do not mind recording that for y'all. I had to get a little zoom in so y'all can see. Next, I want to go in with this, it's a random little blending brush from this brush set that I got from eBay, I believe, and I'm going to use that to, actually I lied, I'm going to be using my Morphe M433 brush, this brush here, and I'm going to use that. It's just a smaller blending brush. I'm just going to use that, and I'm going to go in with this purple here from Morphe just to start creating that gradient effect. Going in with a smaller blending brush, the same brush I just showed y'all from that eBay set. I'm going to use that to start blending that same color in, just so it can be more focused in that spot. So I'm just going to start blending that together. And you'll see me changing between my blending brush with the purple and my M504 brush just to blend it all together. So to add even more depth in my crease, I'm gonna go cut. To add even more depth in my crease, I'm gonna go in with this deep plum shade from the same palette, and I'm going to be using an even smaller blending brush to have that color concentrated in that one section. So I'm going to place that right below that purple color. Play. Alright, so I'm just going to double check and make sure everything is blended to my liking, and as of now it is. So I'm going to go ahead and start cutting my crease. I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer in the shade 6.0, a small flat detailer brush. So I'm going to use that and start to cut out my crease. Okay, so now that my crease is all cut out, I'm not going to set it with any setting powder or anything. I'm going to leave that, I'm going to leave that concealer as is, and I'm going to take this light pink shade, this pretty baby pink shade from the same palette, and I'm using my Coastal Scents eyeshadow brush. Oh, this brush right here is the Morphe M149 brush. Okay, 10 minutes later, and I finally have this as probably as opaque as I'm gonna get it. So I'm gonna start going back in with the purples and the pink shades. So I'm gonna start doing that on the outside, and I'm first gonna go back in with the violet indigo color, the darkest one. So this is gonna be like an ombre effect. I'm gonna go from the outside with the darkest to the inside with the lightest. Then I'm going to take the lighter purple, and I'm going to use that small blending brush for that. I'm going to put that right over or in front of the darker purple. And last but not least, we're gonna go. Don't you hate when this happens? We're gonna go in with that same pink that we used in the transition. Place that right in front of the purple. So for the lashes, I'm gonna use these here from Cosmic Lashes. I used them in my last video. This is in the style Warrior. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes off camera. Okay, so now I have my lashes on, so I'm going to go off camera and do my foundation, highlight, all that good stuff, because y'all have seen it on my other videos, including my last one, which y'all should go and check out right now. Well, not right now, but after y'all finish this video here. So I'm going to do that off camera, then come back and we're going to finish off the look. I don't know, whatever. If my foundation is looking a little orange or red, I apologize for that. I'm still, I don't know, I'm having mixed feelings about the Fenty foundation. I got the shade 460. That's what I was matched to, air quotes. I don't know, this is just what it is. But if it does look a little orange, y'all just ignore that. We're going to pretend like, you know, it's a little nice chocolate goddess look going on. So let's get to this next eye. The first thing I want to do is line my waterline with this black pencil. And I'm going to use that same indigo purple to blend that black out. Next, we're going to use another small blending brush and take the lighter purple. I'm going to take this small shader brush here and I'm going to use that to add the pink. Next is the lips. Line them off camera with my Wet n Wild brown pencil, and I'm going to use this lip gloss from Black Radiance. You can check out product details on my Instagram, which I will link below as well. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram too. I'm almost at 1K on Instagram, so I will be doing a giveaway soon. Fingers crossed. I really do want to give away, so y'all go ahead and follow me on there. So yeah, this is the finished look. Thinking about to change my wig, and then I'll be back to show y'all the finished look.